This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by notifying your insurer and gathering the policy number and vehicle VIN. Call your agent or use the insurer app to report the owner name change. Ask whether the company requires a signed form or notarized document for your state. Prepare 2 government ID and the vehicle title or bill of sale as proof of ownership. Confirm whether a premium adjustment will apply and ask for an estimated fee. Expect insurer processing to take about 30 days. Save all confirmation emails and claim numbers for your records. Collect all necessary documents before you submit your request to the insurer. Provide a signed owner transfer form, 2 government ID, the vehicle title, and your policy number. If the title lists a lien holder, contact that lender and include the lien holder authorization. Check whether your state or insurer requires notarization and arrange a notary if needed. Most insurers charge an administrative fee between $5 and $0 for owner name changes. Submit scanned or photographed documents via the insurer portal and request an emailed receipt. After your insurer updates the policy, you may need to update the vehicle title at the DMV. Visit the DMV website to confirm your state-specific requirements and any title transfer fees. Most DMVs ask for the updated insurance declaration page and original title when changing the name. If a lien holder exists, notify them and provide the insurer confirmation showing the new owner. Verify the updated policy lists the correct owner and coverage limits. Keep both digital and paper copies of the new policy and title for proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.